Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to give an explanation of the available basic script features. Basic script features are all of the features that are available by default on the script screen and do not require any additional customization or setup. A script is a document that is used as a form of communication between the practitioner and pharmacist, and is given to the patient once the consultations have been completed. Using basic script features, the practitioner will easily be able to select generic items as well as build directions for use on the items that have been prescribed. The basic script features also assist the pharmacy with being able to easily read what is stated on the script and reduces errors that might occur with misreading a handwritten note. A patient is able to obtain a prescription after a consultation with a practitioner has been completed, through chronic medication renewal, or if a repeat patient contacts the practice telephonically. First, let us go over how to access the script. From the diary screen, click on the Decide Patient Booking Time Slot to open the diary sidebar. Click on the Clinical button. The clinical screen will open. Next, click on the Forms Library drop-down menu and select the script form. Alternatively, click on the previously set up Script Easy event. For more information on how to set up Easy Events, please refer to the Easy Events user manual linked in this video's description. The script form will open. Please note that all open clinical forms of the selected patient will show in the Active Forms section. Next, we will go over the various options available to the user in order to complete a script. Type the name of the diagnosis or ICD-10 code into the diagnosis field. Click on the ellipse button if the user would like to search for the ICD-10 code and choose from the list of available options. For more information regarding the ICD-10 builder, please refer to the Code Lookup user manual linked in this video's description. Type the name of the medication that the practitioner would like to prescribe to the patient. When the user starts typing a name, a list will automatically open with the various available options. Each line includes the GMED or 0201 code, the name of the medication, single dose strength, preferred prescription amount, NAPI code, as well as the SEP price. Please note that when a dispensing practice no longer has stock of a certain medication, the medication name will turn red. Click on the desired medication to populate the medication field. For more information regarding chronic scripts, please refer to the Chronic Scripts user manual linked in this video's description. When the user has typed the necessary information into the total quantity and repeat fields, click on the exclamation button to calculate what the directions would be based on the provided information. All scripts initially begin marked as acute, but if the patient needs to repeat medication 5 or more times, the prescription will automatically be marked as a chronic script. If the practitioner does not want the patient to be given a generic or substitutable medication, click on the Mark as Not Substitutable checkbox. Click on the green heart button if the user would like to favorite the prescription line for easier future access, especially if a certain prescription line is commonly used. To access any previously saved lines, click on the Add Favorite Meds button. If the user would like to discard a prescription line completely, click on the Delete button. To access additional fields for the Directions Builder, click on the Expand button. For more information on how to use the additional fields in the extended script line, please refer to the Directions Builder user manual linked in this video's description. To add an additional script line, click on the Add Line button. Alternatively, the user can click on the Add Script Item button. For more information regarding the additional add lines to invoice, as well as the save script lines to macro buttons, please refer to the Advanced Scripting and Generic Medicine user manual linked in this video's description. An in-depth explanation of script history is also given in the Advanced Scripting and Generic Medicine user manual. The practitioner is able to add additional notes to the script by typing in the medication note field. Please note that no script is able to be finalized without a signature from the practice. For more information on how to add a signature to the script, please refer to the How to Add a Doctor Signature user manual linked in this video's description. Finally, if a patient has advised the practitioner on medications prescribed by other practitioners, the user is able to click on the As Formed by Patient checkbox. Please note that the patient would have to provide a signature as confirmation. If the user would like to close the script without saving any changes, click on the Close button. To save the script and return to the diary screen, click on the Save and Close button. To save the script but remain on the script form, click on the up arrow to access the Save button. Finally, to save all the lines on the script as a billing macro in Billing Settings, click on the Save Lines to New Macro button. For more information regarding billing settings, please refer to the Billing Settings user manual linked in this video's description.